Set the company up in June 2016, so we've been going about 8 years now. We mainly do domestic extensions, renovations, anything in the building industry where we'll cover all trades, so we'll do full extensions, even new builds and stuff as well. But predominantly we do mainly extensions, a lot of full renovations. I'm a bricklayer by trade. Me and my team we'll start the job off, dig the footings out, do the slab, build to damp and stuff, build the full shell, and then I'll bring in like joiners to form the roof, roofers to tile, and then electricians, plumbers, plasterers, decorators, floor finishing. Depending how far someone wants to go, someone might want to do a couple of things themselves, get their own floor people in, or decorate themselves. But a lot of the time we'll just do the job start to finish, so it's just ready for them to enjoy and not need to do anything really. It's a side extension. It's going to be a playroom for the kids. So they wanted an extra room, so it's just basically an extra room for the house, but predominantly it'll be a playroom. We've been on this one for about probably almost 8 weeks now. We've got probably another 4 weeks to completion. Now the roof's getting done, getting it watertight. Got the windows and doors, they're in production. Once they're in, we'll be getting the first fix electrics and plumbing done, and then getting it plastered and decorated and floor finishes, and then finish the landscaping outside, and that'll be job done. Well, I do usually use the Dakea windows anyway, just because there's a longer guarantee on them and ease of use, and I think they're good quality windows. Usually, obviously, the architects will spec what type of windows they want. This particular job being a bit more of a high spec job, I've gone for the better windows, triple glazed, so they're a bit more better U-value in winter, tinted to help with the sun, obviously, and obviously electric opening because of how tall the roofs are and stuff. Obviously they won't be able to access the things, so they'll be all electric opening. Any technical issues and stuff, they was really helpful. Sometimes someone would even come out and talk you through, any problems that you had. So I found Dakea to be easy to install. Not as, no issues with them. They feel better quality, and the guarantee obviously is better than most other brands that I know of. So really, it's a win-win on all aspects of them. So.